10th. Whatever. Barok. Oh, come on already. Barok, where are you? Magneto the Navigator. Whatever. Crazy peoples, I tell you. I know that Barok is here somewhere. But where? No, thank you. No, I'm not interested in swimming. Are you in here, Barok? I must be in the wrong section of town. There's Pendant. Where is Barok? He should be out here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Ooh, enchant item. Very nifty spell, that. Unfortunately, a little limited in Might and Magic 5, but still very handy, as if you're wearing stuff that is unenchanted, you can quickly fix that. Plus, it's a great spell in order to be able to cast it on plate armor. Plain plate.
What do you want?
F. I wanted to give that away too, didn't I? Yes, I did. See, she has a steel shield, she has a lapis shield. Steel is far better than lapis.
What do you want?
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everybody's armor's pretty good. Sell iron splint mail. Sell again that steel shield. Tell you what, I'm gonna cancel out of selling the steel shield. Give it to him. Cause meanwhile, resistance is a good thing. We need the AC a bit more.
What do you want?
Shocking plate armor. Must be revealing. Acidic chain, coral boots, iron boots, and shocking boots. Not everyone has boots, or those that do have rather crappy boots. Sell boots. Sell boots. Sell boots. And buy iron boots, shocking boots, and coral boots. Equip, equip, equip. Done and done.
What do you want?
Now, we still have people with bronze helms, I believe. If that's the case... Nope, that's good. We've got plain gauntlets, gauntlets. Sell these plain gauntlets and buy these crystal gauntlets. I know, I shouldn't be leaving every single time I buy something, but it's just a bad habit of mine.
What do you want?
Besides, it sometimes refreshes the equipment that he has for sale. Such as you see right now. Item, armor, equip. Item, miscellaneous, whatever. Learn of free movement. He needs a lot of stuff, honestly. Let's give him some of this. Alright. Doing good. Got about 80,000 gold pieces. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And we still have problems maintaining a constant gem flow. It's mainly thanks to Dave Protection, Dave Sorcery, because those are gem hog spells, but we need them.
Where to?
Let's head to... Where am I going to head to now? I can't even remember. Was it Winterkill, or was it someplace else? I remember Winterkill... I'm trying to visualize in my head where we need to go now. We've been down to the Temple of Yak. We've been... The only place we haven't been is to the northwest, so let's head to, say, Asp. We'll rest right out here. Rest again. Rest again. Three, 4, 5, F6, F7. Then we'll cast Day of Protection, and we will cast Day of Sorcery. And we are set. Don't you tell me not to leave. I'll leave whenever I feel like it. Allow me to save my game here real quick, and I'm going to stop the movie and restart it, so that way we don't run into clipping problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a few seconds.